Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and getting straight into the wallpaper picker. Unlock your Oppo, confirm battery is above 20%, and open Settings or long press an empty home screen to access wallpapers. Tap Home Screen and Wallpaper or Wallpaper to see options. Choose Live Wallpaper as the source, select System Live Options, a saved live photo from gallery, or a third-party live wallpaper app you installed. This ensures you're in the right place. Once you've selected a live option, preview it to check motion and any sound. This saves time. Tap Preview, then use crop or fit controls to position the image and set whether it applies to home screen, lock screen, or both. If using a third-party app, allow required permissions when prompted so the animation runs smoothly. Make sure to test how it behaves when you swipe pages and lock the phone, because different launchers and settings affect playback and battery use. Apply the live wallpaper by tapping Set Wallpaper, or apply and confirm whether it's for the home screen, lock screen, or both. If the wallpaper stays static, restart your launcher or reboot the phone. Clearing the launcher cache often fixes display glitches. If the animation causes excessive battery drain or stuttering, switch temporarily to a static wallpaper or pick a lower frame animation. You can also update or reinstall the wallpaper app. These steps finalize the setup and resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.